Now let's add something to our sidebar. Let's say we are going to add something like Facebook page on our sidebar. Okay, and what we do is we go to, let's say, Google, and then we type in Facebook Lightbox. Choose this one, Facebook Lightbox. Now let's use this Facebook Lightbox. Go to your Facebook. You should have a page already created. So I have some pages here. Go to, okay, I have some pages here. This is the page URL, okay, the page address. Just copy it. Now when you come here, just paste it and choose the width to be, let's say, 410, and see how it's going to look like. Okay, so okay. You click on get code, go to iframe, copy everything, and then come to your widget where we are going to, you see the HTML and everything is done for us. So just click on it and then paste it inside. Click save. Now let's go back to our blog and refresh it and see. You see that the Facebook page is here. Okay, or you can change it, and let's say change the title from test to say follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Then just click save. Refresh it. You see, follow us on Facebook. Okay, now there are so many plugins you can use to also, you can also use as your widget to function the same as this, as a Facebook Live page. Okay, the Facebook Live box. You can also get some plugins and use. You can go to plugins. You can go to plugins, then search Facebook Lightbox. Facebook Lightbox. Then so many plugins will come and choose. Sorry, let's go to add new plugin. Facebook Lightbox. Facebook Lightbox. So you can choose this one, any one of them. You can choose any one of them, and then integrate it in your WordPress. Then you can integrate it in your dashboard and your widgets. Okay, and you have the same function as this one. Okay, so the plugins actually extend the functionality of the theme. Okay, so this is the theme we are using, and we can have so many plugins to help us do so many things. Okay, so this is a simple website I've created, and then I want you to follow every step on the way. There are so many things you can do. You can do so many things here. You go to the Sahifa team, you can do so many. You can even follow the documentation, like step by step of everything. How to customize your team, you can follow this step by step and do everything. Okay, there is a documentation. It will walk you through everything you have to do, from installation of your team to how you can create your pages. You can do some settings, everything. Okay, everything. Now let's go to some settings. Let's do some settings. Go to settings. Now go to permalinks. Let the post be, don't customize it, post it as name. Okay, post it as name, and then do some changes. Okay, refresh the page. So this is Sahifa team documentation, telling you what to do, like follow the step by step from the team installation, the sample team, like everything, language, uploading your logo, settings, page builder, whatever you can do, guide, slideshow. You can do everything by following the Sahifa team documentation. Okay, now let's go to Sahifa team. Now let's go to the Sahifa team, then go to team settings. We can do so many settings. Okay, now assuming you want to do some sidebar settings. Okay, we can choose the sidebar here. We can choose the sidebar here to come to the right, to the left hand side. This is already on the right hand side. We can choose this one and it will come to the right hand side. So we are currently using this one. This is the main web page, and this is the sidebar. Okay, so you can do so many things. Some settings, if you want to add Google AdSense ads, you can go to Google AdSense and choose some ad to be displayed on your page. So assuming we have a page like this one, you can go to AdSense or whatever, any advertisement you want to advertise on your page. You can have the text to advertise. Okay, so let's say you want to add some advertisement from, let's say, Google AdSense. Let's say on the top of banner area. Okay, on the top of banner area, then yes, choose Google AdSense ad code. Let's choose this one, the code, and go to Google AdSense. Then AdSense. Okay, if you go to AdSense, you can go to my ads, and then choose choose any of the AdSense code here. Let's say, let's get this one, get code. Okay, copy the code. Let's go to add it here, then click on save, and let's see whether it will appear. So we have added it. Let's see it will appear. Let's also add another code. Now you should let it come here. Okay. Add another one here. Code paste. Okay. Then save changes. Save changes. Okay, let's refresh it and see. Okay, now there is the AdSense code. Now it is now appearing on the page. Okay, so you can also do some stylings here. This is the default theme color. You can change it to anything you want. Okay, you can change it to anything you want. Make sure when it changes you want. Okay, you can even follow the documentation and do every changes. Now when you come to social networking too, you can add your Facebook URL, Twitter, Google Plus, and everything, and to show on the page. Okay, so having done this, you should follow the step-by-step on how to create your own WordPress page. Okay, this is another advert from Google. Okay, so now the page, our blog is now looking nice. Okay, our blog is now looking nice. So this is the blog URL, our blog address. Let's copy and save it. Our blog address. Let's copy and save it. Okay, so save this one as tutorial. And let's save it on the desktop. Okay, so you see, creating a website is so simple. Everything has been done for us. Okay, you don't have to worry yourself doing some CSS, PHP, HTML. Everything has been done for us. If you think what I'm saying, I'm lying, like just go to appearance and go to editor. You go to editor, you see all this code have been embedded in the theme or the WordPress theme. Okay, so you see the template have been created. You have the archive, the author template, blogger, everything, the CSS, everything. You have a PHP index. These are things we should have created ourselves. Okay, we should have done this by ourselves so that we can go step by step creating a complete website. But due to modernization, WordPress has taken everything, and now you have the two functions. Everything is done. CSS, HTML, the PHP, everything has been done. So you don't have to do anything. Everything has been done. Okay, so if you want to make some editing, just go to where you want to make the editing. Okay,